it was apparent as soon as we started, even though we were working with the organs, there's this transmission through the spine. My thing has always been the Kundalini. That's always the most fundamental thing that's opened up through me. And it was just taking that. It's funny because it had a physical quality to it. It's not this bright white thing. It's got quite a dark, strong, potent, quite kind of an energy that a lot of people would run from. Kind of a little bit, oh, type feeling to it. Kind of very magical and like moving into a different universe. I remember that around Diraj. He wasn't this bright white energy, but he was profound energy phenomena. And you just walk into his presence and you kind of be fixed. Whatever was going on was cleared and things would transform at a deep level. And that's what I was feeling at the end, was this energy moving up and down the spine, which was quite still, but I could feel all of the vertebrae were lubricating, doing little tiny adjustments. And it wasn't this blow your head off, but it was going through the brain and connecting to the higher self. And I think we can, I've talked about it, and I'm sure that reality is there, that we could just go from organ to organ, clearing that energetic aspect with the spine. And once we've gone through all of them, really have had a massive transformation, just to a new, not gone reality, but a new reality of ourselves and how our spine works, and deeply transforming karma. So for me anyway, what we're moving into is powerful. And whoever wants to journey with me, welcome. As crazy as it seems, welcome. It wasn't a lightweight energy at all. But I enjoy that type of thing. And I can still feel lots of little twitches and areas of my back that normally are held are kind of loosening up and moving. And the change of reality, it's not like all click and relax and a bit of energy. It's the change of our reality and how we view ourselves. And it's going through the mind, so it's taking us out of what our normal mind is and all of the associated things. So that is the impression of the energies. We didn't get to work with the endocrine energies after all, but we did do the eyes, which kind of relates that whole system, and we did do the ovaries and testes. We just have to see how this transpires as we move through. But I think the main thing that's going to happen through this is the transformation of the organs and the transformation of the spine.